the thing because you know be so usually dey. All right, so
Mhm.
this be price. We are bullish, right?
Yeah.
This is what we're expecting. See, it will happen with price. You have your break of structure or change of character, whatever that situation be. You have your inducement.
Mhm.
You have your inducement, right?
Yeah.
So you will expect to come and break this high.
Mhm.
This is the other scenario. Break of structure.
Mhm.
These schematics dey. So I know the about why I stand for come explain this thing again. Sef.
Do I beg you?
No, I did right now. I did draw right now. I say this schematics all
Yeah.
day.
Oh yeah. The schematic. Yeah. The,
So and they be self-explanatory. So I don't understand you.
you
You are
better
not
listen your
you are
voice.
not eager to understand what it be. You are eager to use what you dey see to trade.
I mean, once you move further down there, I'm not sure.
It be inducement. I just okay. Now you see this scenario. You
Mhm.
could have this still. What will be the difference?
What be the difference between so
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. So the difference between, let me see. So the first one, price came back after the break of the fake break. Price came back to take the inducements before moving. So, and the second one, price just created new structure and left without coming back to take the inducements.
Mm-hmm.
With the last one, price they go in the create structure they go where he sweep all of them as liquidity and came back to reduce for the subsequent move.
I don't understand those.
I say he sweep the new structure he creates as they go. He
Mm-hmm.
sweep all of it as liquidity. So all of that now becomes internal. All of that now becomes like internal structure moves. Then it came down to take the foot from the initial structure.
You see this one and this one, it be the same thing. Only say sometimes price will give you this your fake break of structure and still come and sweep your liquidity, right?
Okay.
Yes. Most times price no go come sweep your liquidity as long as you have your fake break of structure and your change of character. Sorry, your liquidity. It will create your change of character. You have a new structure to work with, right? Only in this case, we will still trade from the inducement. So one price move like this, the first thing you're looking to do is to trade for the inducement. When your inducement no play, but you end up having a new structure formed, you trade off the new structure. You no go wait to come for the inducement. You understand?
Okay.
The new structure, you only the trade off the new structure after your change of character. You understand?
Okay.
It be say so in some cases we are able to take the trade off here, even though we know sweep liquidity because we know say we dey form new structure. If
Okay.
in such cases, it's better to put your stop loss for the down there if you know be sure say price will come down, come sweep arm or not. You understand?
Okay.
It's better to have a 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, which is guarantee, and go high, than to come and take you want the look for setup for here to get 10 RR. So because of that, price will come sweep you only to go back up.
Exactly. Okay.
In this case, we are forming a new structure, but still we come sweep the inducements before forming the new structure.
Okay.
You have then here you have the two.
Yeah, about
Here you see here we formed the new structure outside this range. Outside this range, we formed the new structure outside.
Okay. Outside.
That be when you have your unmitigated zone.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
So you see, in this case here, we no form outside, but price come, it's still not take the inducement. So you go fit think say this be unmitigated, no be unmitigated zone.
It's not so okay. Wow.
It be price forming a new structure. So in this scenario, if price come take this low, like after a form new structure, if it come take this low, we will definitely take that low. But in this case, if price take this low, it no mean say we will come take this low. We could possibly react from here
Okay.
You understand? If we take this inducement, we are most likely to sell and take this low
Mm, okay.
because we formed outside. You understand?
Okay.
Uh-huh. Now, if you want confluence, use this structure here to check your range. Say your range be bullish or bearish. If it be bearish, then it adds confluence to the
Mm-hmm.
fact say we sweep here and we dey go down.
Okay.
If it's not bearish and it's bullish, then maybe this sweep could be this setup here.
All right. Mm,
You understand? So
okay.
just to be sure, just use your range here to validate, to confirm say this area will hold or not. You understand? To add confluence to the fact
Mm,
say respecting the unmitigated zone, the means say we dey go up or you know the or invalidating them say no
okay.
mean anything.
Okay. All right. Okay. I know about outside. Okay. Cool. Okay. Cool. I'm going to take money from.
Hmm?
That's so sad.
You go chap. It be very simple. You be say you don't learn everything at once because you want trade.